Hey there, Angel here. Are you ready to explore the city of love, Paris? It's a place full of surprises and I can't wait to show you around. First up, let's head to the Eiffel Tower. This iconic landmark is a must visit. The views from the top are simply breathtaking. Be sure to snap some selfies and don't forget to tag us on Instagram. Next, we'll take you to the Louvre, the world's largest museum. It's a bit overwhelming, but we promise it's worth it. You'll see everything from ancient artifacts to contemporary art. One of the most popular attractions is the Mona Lisa, but be warned, the crowds can be overwhelming. And of course, no trip to Paris would be complete without a stroll through the beautiful Jardin des Tuileries. Let's keep the momentum going and check out the Arc de Triomphe. It's a great spot for some photos, and you'll feel like a true champion standing underneath it. After that, we'll walk down the Champs-Élysées, where you can shop till you drop, or just people watch from one of the many cafes. A trip to Paris wouldn't be complete without visiting the beautiful Sacré-Cœur. The church is stunning, and the views from the hilltop are some of the best in the city. We'll make sure you get some great shots for your Instagram feed. We know you're hungry, so let's talk about food. Parisian cuisine is incredible, and you'll find something for every taste. Our favorites include the entrecôte, steak and chips, beef bourguignon, escargot, and crepes, which you can have sweet or savory. And let's not forget about the wine. We recommend trying a few varieties while you're there. It's all part of the Parisian experience. To end the day on a high note, why not catch a traditional Parisian cabaret show? The Moulin Rouge and the Lido de Paris are two of the most famous, and you won't be disappointed. The can-can dance is a must-see, and the performances are truly unforgettable. So what do you say? Are you ready to fall in love with Paris? We sure are. Let's pack our bags and get on a plane. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest video. Comment down below so you can tell me what you'd like to see on my next video.